Hi, I am Atanu. In this tutorials, we discuss about the crypt arithmetics problem. This is the second part of the continuation playing with the number chapter, class 8 mathematics. First we learn what is the definition of crypt arithmetics. Crypt arithmetics is a problem in the mathematicals dealing with the mathematical puzzle in which the letters will replace with the numbers. Okay, so I give you one example. Suppose it is given that AB, this alphabet given AB and BA, the addition of this is 55. So we have to find out or replace this A and B with the number from 0 to 9 to get the value 55. So what is the method? Actually, method is you should know about the some basic idea how the addition happen. What is the when we do the carry forward and means the basic understanding of the addition. If we know, then we can solve it. And there are difficulty level is maybe very high, but in this tutorial we learn the basic, and the advanced level it is not covered under this class 8 syllabus. It is for the higher comparative mathematics. You learn it. I will cover it later. Now we understand that we have to choose B and A. So what are those possibilities? Look, B and A, there are the possibility if carry forward happen, then two digit number, if we add another 2-digit number, there is a chance to become the 3-digit number also. So when 3-digit number happen, there is a carry forward we have to consider. But here first so I'm telling you, in this kind of the problem always you should apply the with the basic concept of the calculation with trial and error method. So you have to choose the number and put the value and try it. If it is satisfied, then you consider, you just go to the next step. Clear? So for example, so look here, the sum of B plus A, since the B and A is the unit place digits, so we consider the B plus A is equal to 5. Correct? So what are those combination? I am not considering here the carry forward. If I consider carry forward, then it will be 15, but I consider 5. Now how many combination could possible with this 5? There are 2 and 3, it is possible. Okay, or 3 and 2, it is also possible. Clear? Or 4 plus 1, it is possible, or 1 plus 4, it is also possible. So there are all possibilities are there. Now if we consider the first one and put the value there, that is 2 3. So if A is 2 and B is 3, and here it is reverse, position reverse, B is 3 and A, let's check it. Sorry, that is 2, then it will be 5. If we add together, it is 5. So this is okay, means A is actually A2, we can replace A2 and B3, it is also okay. And if we consider 3 2 and 2 3, then also it is okay. So A, if I consider A as 3 and B as 2, then also we get the 55. Similarly, if we consider 1 and 4 and 4 1, then we add together, we get 55. Again it is A1 and B4. Similarly, if we add here 4 1 with 1 4, we get 55. So again A is, we get the 55 value, and so we can consider 1. Clear? So there are 4 possibilities are there, but some kind of the critical problem, only we get the one numbers assigned for the one alphabet. Most of difficult kinds of questions. Clear? Hope it is clear about the cryptarithmetics. Now in this tutorial we learn the addition and multiplication of cryptarithmetics, and there are some example. We solve it as quick as possible. Okay, so if we explain is the elaborate method, it will be very large to answer, but I suggest you follow my method, because mostly this is a very short kind of question, so no need to explain too much. Clear? So better you understand the approach, how we can solve this as quick as possible. Let's try the first problem. B9 and 4A. Okay, and that is 65. Clear? So how we can start to solve this problem? Look, there is a 9. So as per the addition method, 9 plus A is equal to 15. Why? I consider here, but question there is a given 5. Why I consider 1 here? Because look, what is the concept? Concept is, if suppose A is 0, already I told you the all alphabet could be, A could be what? A could be from 0 to 9. Now think about, you have to take this kind of decision very quickly. If we put A as 0, then what will happen? It will 9, but it's not match, because there is a 5 only. If I consider A is equal to 1, then also we never get the 5. Only if we consider 6, if I consider 6, replace A with the 6, then what value we get? 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. That is the reason actually I consider 15 here, because there is always carry forward 1. You must remember, carry forward of the addition is always 1, not more than that. Clear? So we get 5 here by considering A as 6. Clear? If we consider A as 6, get 5. Now you replace the value and write as B9 4, now replace with 6. Clear? So 5 and it will be 6. Clear? Now we have to replace the value of B. Clear? We don't know what will be the B, but look how we get the B. Clear? This is the first part of the solution, and the second part of the solution is how we get the b. Now already you know that here we get +1 from the carry forward, right? So to get the b, we have to write as b plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 6. Clear? So b is equal to 1. Now finally we get the b is equal to 1. Now what you have to do? You have to replace the value and check whether it is correct or not. So b is replaced with 1, and here it is 9 as it is, and round it here, and 4, and a we got what, 6. You round it again, then you add 5, carry forward 1, 6. So we get the right answer. So finally we get the a is equal to what, 6, and b is equal to 1. This is the answer. So this was the question. So this is the question. I highlight the question here. Correct? This is the question. So this is the solution. Is it clear? Okay. Now next question, sum of 3a equal to ba. First we identify how to find out the a. So a plus a means 3a. So we can write down as 3a, 3a equivalent to something a. Okay, we are not considering this. First we considering a. Okay, so I have to identify the multiple of 3, so that from 0 to 9, so that it will be 2-digit number, as well as the first digits are same. So look at this, the similar as 3, you consider a box. 3 box is equal to box and a number. This box we have to fill. So if I consider the 0, so definitely it is 0 in match, but then the value will be 0, right? So 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So there will be no 2-digit number. If it is 1, means you consider here the multiply. Okay, if you consider 1, then also get what, 3 into 1 get 1-digit number. It is also not possible. 3 into 2, 6, that is also not possible. 3 into 3, 9, that is also not possible. 3 into 4, 12. So this is 2-digit number. The problem is that the box value not here the same. The box value is not the same. So 4 cancel. Next we consider 3 into 5. Then what we'll get? We get this box, that is 15, right? Now think, when you multiply 3 with 5, we get 15. Now box value remain the same, but b having no restriction. B could be from 0 to 9. There is no condition. To free to choose as per the value of a. So if I put so 5 only, if I consider put the value 5 for the a, replacing a, then we get the result 15. So let's check whether this answer is correct or not. this one the calculation, this is the calculation part. Okay, now if we check the replacing the value of a by 5, we get 5 plus 5 plus 5. We add 5 3 5 15. So here we get, means this all condition satisfy here. Okay, okay, so a condition satisfy here, correct. So the box, this box value is 5, means a is 5, a is 5 and b is 1. So this is the correct answer. Hope it is clear. So this is the some logic, and then you trial and error method. Okay, you put the value and check it, and every time no need to put, you just mentally you calculate which value is suit for this number, then you get the final value. Okay, clear. From the beginning of this tutorial, I told you this chapter is actually the mathematics puzzle, arithmetic puzzle. So we have to find out the clue, where the clue given, we have to find out. So it could be different, vary from question to question. So same logic is not applicable for all question, right? For example, for this kind of question, so one, you have to find out the where the one alphabets, it's actually, it could be the confirm by the relation given. Okay, so look at this here, just look, b plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, so if we just do the calculation, that b plus 1 we can get 8. So any other possibilities are there? B plus 1 18 is possible. Already I told you that carry forward is every time it is 1, carry forward is 1, so we can consider 18 also. Okay, so b plus 1 18 also. But why it is not possible? It is not possible because, so 18, so b could be the 17, but the digit, all digit are from the 0 to 9, so it exceed the number, so b is not possible 17. So only possibility is there, the first relation. From here, what is b? B is equal to 8 minus 1 is equal to 7, correct. So now we are confirmed that b actually 7, it is confirmed. So when you get the b is equal to 7, you put the value directly. So what remain? You keep it as it is, that is 2, a and b is 7, and here a, b is 7, so put the value b also here, b is 7, b is 7, okay, and 1, and now it is b 1 8. So which value we completed? This b. Okay, so b completed, so we get the value b. So answer is actually b is equal to 7, correct. B is equal to 7. Now what are the other value? Now since you just put the value from here, now we considered here only, clear. We have to find out, so look, here also b, you put the value b also here, correct. So here also b, okay. So b completed, so this value completed. you need to put 7, this value completed. Okay, so all B completed. Now what remain is A. So we have to find out the value of A, where it is here. Now look here, so 7 plus A is equal to 1. So is it possible? If I put 0A, then also not possible. 7 plus 0 also 7. So must be carry forward. So you know that carry forward is actually what? A plus 7 is equal to 11. Why? Because 7 plus 1 8, there is no carry forward. Remember, if there was carry forward, then you have to add A plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 11. But here, no, since from the previous there is no carry forward, so simply A plus 7 is equal to 11. Why considered 11 in place of the 1? Because 7 plus A, if we add something even 0 also, it is not possible, 1. Okay. So we can write A is equal to what? A is equal to 11 plus 11 and 7, so that is 4. So now you can finally get the all value. If we put the all value, then A is equal to, now right here, A we get 4. For further confirmation, you put the value 2, A is 4 and 7, 4, 7, 1. Now you add all, you get some 8, 11, 7. So this B is okay, and A also okay. A also okay. Clear? So now my answer is correct. So this is the right answer. Hope the step by step process is clear. So it is actually kind of puzzle. You have to find out the key to enter into the problem. First entry is very, very important. You have to identify the weak point, from where you can weak point of the question, from where you can understand that you are very much confirmed to choose the digit. Then you just do the next step to get the answer. Next step, and finally you verify it. This is the final verification. This is the arrow, the final verification. So if final verification is satisfied, then your answer is correct. Clear? Now how you can solve this problem? Look, A plus AB and AB is equal to CA. So if we consider 1, what will happen? B is equal to 1, this box. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And now these two transfer here. So these two, if you transfer here, this will be 4. Clear? So this is possible. So here one answer is A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 4. These answers are possible. Clear? If I put 3, put 2 plus 2, it is 4, and you transfer the 4 in this place, so this is 8. So what are those answer? Again it is A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 8. This is also possible. Any other? Again we put the 3, so this is 6, and then transfer the 6 here, so this is 12. So it is not possible because it's a 2-digit number. So you got the answer. Clear? It is not possible. Clear? Now try to answer this question. So we have to find out what clues given. Look, so here 1 and 6 given, so easily we find out the A. So simply there are two possibilities of the A. What are those possible? If we 1 plus 6 simply get 7. So this 7 is possible, correct? This 7 is possible. Another, if carry forward 1 from the previous 2 plus A, then we have to add 1 plus 6, that is 8. Clear? So when carry forward, clear? So if there is a carry forward, then we get the value 8. Is it clear? Now we don't know whether it is carry forward 1 or not, so better we put the value each. So already I told you it is a trial and error method. So if I put the value 7 first, then what will happen? Let's check. 1, 2, so that is 6, and we consider 7 here, round it, and here also locate with the round A value. So here A is 7 and this is 7. Now see, here it is B, so it is 0 and it is 9. So from where we get the 9? If we add 2. Okay, clear? So this is value of A and this is value of B. Clear? Now problem is that if we add 7 plus 2, 9, but 7 plus 2 is 0. So it is actually 7 plus 2 is not the 0. Okay, so it is 9. So it is not the correct. So whatever we choose 7, it is not the correct. So this is not the correct. Correct? It is okay. This is not the correct. Now we consider this. So what value we get? Let's check it. 1, 1, and next is 2, and A we just assume 8. So round it, and here also 8, round it, and here 6, and this is 8. Okay, round it, and 0, and here 9. Now you tell me for which value of this vacant the addition will be 9. Tell me. So it will be 1. It will be 1. Now you add it, you check whether value satisfy or not. So 8 plus 1, 9, that is fine. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry forward 1. So 6 plus 1, 7, plus 1, 8. So the answer is this value. This is the value of A, B. So A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 1. This is the correct answer. Always verify it. When the number will satisfy, we verify it. If it is okay, then that will be the answer. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 2, and all A is here. Diagonally all A are here. Clear? So 0, 6 plus 1, 7, and carry forward 1, that is 8. It is okay. Now, so hope it is clear. Our approach is from the right digit also, left digit also, even sometime middle digit also. So this is the kind of the puzzle. So you have to find out the clue where it is given. Means you have to enter through the weakest point of this question. You break the chain of the weak point. Then you go through the to get the answer. Clear? Done. Let's try another question. The question is given that AB and BA are equal to dad. Okay, clear? Now we already know that AB we can be write as 10A plus B, and BA can write as 10B plus A. So finally we can write AB plus BA is equal to both sum, that is 11A plus B. Clear? So it is very much clear the dad is actually the multiple of 11. Clear? So now if it is multiple of 11 and both side having the D means the similar value, so we can consider assuming that A plus B is equal to 11. A plus B is equal to 11, assume. Okay, assume that A plus B 11. Then what will happen? If we put the value here, we get 11 into 11 is equal to dad. So we can say that dad is equal to 121. So let's check it whether it is correct or not. So now we put the all value whatever we get as per this assumption. Here A is actually 2. A is actually 2. Okay. So we considered that is DAD. So it is, sorry. So we put the value A is equal to 2. So 2B, we don't know B, right? And here also B and 2, and now write down dad 1 2 1. Clear? Okay. Now so we get A, right? These all are the A. This clear? These are the A. This is A, this is A, this is also A. Clear? And this is what? This is D. Okay. So we get A and D. Now how we get the B? From here, from the unit place, it is very much clear that B plus 2 plus something, it is not possible to become 1. So there must be a carry forward. So when already I told you many times, if it is carry forward, then you consider a 2-digit number. Okay, that is B plus 2 we can write as 11. Why? Because after put the 1 here and carry forward another 1. Clear? And from where we get this carry forward concept? Because 2 plus something cannot be 1. Correct? Because it is not the minus value. We cannot put the minus value here. Only allow 0 to 9. So from here we get B is equal to 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Now if we put the value, final value, that is from here the B is actually 9. Okay, mark it is 9, and then it is 2. It is 1 to 1. Now check whether it is satisfied or not. 9 plus 2 11. So carry forward 1 10 10 10 plus 2 12. So it is correct. So whatever value we get, the answer is A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 9 and D is equal to 1. Clear? These are the answer. Clear to everyone? This is the answer. So it is one of the best question. Okay, so this is the answer. Clear? Okay. Next we try the next. Now try to answer the next question. So where is the clue? Clue is here. Clue is here. Okay. So since it is 9, if we there is a two possibilities. If we add 6, then we get the 9. If we get 6 here, then we get the 9. Okay. Okay. So then the A will be what? 6. Another possibility is when the no carry forward. If it is one carry forward is there, then it will be what? This will be 5. Okay. 5, and next is 3, and this is 9. This is also possible. So left side two possibilities are there, whether A is 6 and a 5. Suppose I consider the second part. I consider second part, whether it satisfy or not. Okay, let's check it. We put the value, consider A as 5. Clear? A as 5. So if I put the value 5, then we don't know about the B. Clear? So 3, 7, and put the value, this is 5. We get the 5, and is the 5. This is a 9. Clear? Now there are two possibilities. No, there is only one possible, because we know that one carry forward required to get this sum. So get this 9, one carry forward required, because we borrow here. Okay, so you have to return. Clear? So this thing, how we can manage? So B plus 7 is equal to 15. It is possible. Otherwise we cannot carry forward this one to the next. Clear? So here we get the B is equal to 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Now finally we get 5, B is 8, and 7, and 3, and 9, and 5. Check it whether answer is correct or not. So B we get here. So B we get here, B. This is the B value. And what A we get? We get A here. This is the A. Clear? It is clear. This is the A, this is the B. Now check the sum. 8 plus 7, 55. Carry forward 1, 6, 9. So it is correct. Okay. So if I consider first one, then we conclude that this is not possible. Okay, we can check it. This is not possible. So I just simply consider the second one and got the right answer. You got the right answer. No need to check the first one. Clear? So this is the answer. So A is 5, and B is 8. A is 5, A is equal to 5, and B is equal to 8 is the right answer. Okay. Now try to answer this question. So 8A5 and this 3-digit number sum with another 3-digit number, get the value 4-digit number. So in this case definitely the last 8 and 9, so we get 1A. So 1A we considered, we have to consider 8A5 9 4 8 and keep it blank, 5 9 4 keep it blank, then it is 1 and blank 3 3. Now look at this number. here 8 plus 9 17, right? But we consider one carry forward here. Why? Because uh, uh, because 3-digit number, another three-digit number, if it is some 4-digit, then definitely there is a carry forward. Okay, so plus 1, if we add 1, then it will be 18. Put the value 8 here everywhere and check whether answer is correct or not. If it is not correct, then to try the different number. Clear? Okay, whether this is satisfied or not. 3 carry forward 1, 9, 3 carry forward 1, 18. So it is correct. So sometime you quickly get the answer. So here a is equal to 8 is the right answer. Okay, now try the next question. So where is the logic? Logic is that if some 3-digit, but here we only get the 2-digit, 2-digit number add 3 times, so we get the 2-digit number when it is possible. So if it is more than 3, if a is more than 3, then what will happen? Suppose it is 4 and the least value b is, for example, 0, then also not possible. So this is 12. Okay, so this is 3-digit number, so a must be less than 3, must be less than 3. So we considered, let's example, consider an equal to 3. Okay, consider 3, right? And b is as 1. Why you choose the 1? Because look, if we add 1 3 times, we get 3. So right side, if we consider 1, what will happen? We get the left side 3. Okay, why consider 1? By looking, considering this 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, so that this 3 will generate the value 3. Okay, 3, and here we get 9, means it is also the 1-digit number, because if it is more than 3, it never generate the 1-digit number. Clear? So now it is okay. 31 plus 31, that is 3, and that is 3. So here a is 3 and b is 1. So a is 3 and b is the 1. It is the right answer. Logic is clear? So answer is a is 3. Oh, another is sorry, another also C. Correct. Here also you can write down that is A, and this side that is B, and that is C. Okay. So A is the here is the answer. A is 3 and B is 1 and C is 9. This is the correct answer. Now, since this video actually take time to cover almost the all question as per the NCERT syllabus, okay, so we have to complete this series with the next video. Means playing with the numbers need another video where I just cover the multiplication, this, okay, multiplication of cryptarithmetics. Cryptarithmetics will cover with the next video. So please just check this video for your clear understanding to strengthen your base. And if you want more question to solve, having some difficulties, you comments below, on you contact me Telegram channel. I will update below of this video, you can get it. And also WhatsApp, it is there, you can reach to me in the WhatsApp and Telegram channel. So this time please subscribe my channel. This time we complete this video. Bye, see you the next video. Thank you.